Forget everything you've seen on television and in the movies. There's not going to be any last-minute surprise witnesses. Nobody's going to break down on the stand with a tearful confession. You're going to be presented with a simple fact. Andrew Beckett was fired. You'll hear two explanations for why he was fired, ours and theirs. It is up to you to sift through layer upon layer of truth until you determine for yourselves which version sounds the most true. There's certain points that I must prove to you. Point number one, Andrew Beckett is a brilliant lawyer, great lawyer. Point number two, Andrew Beckett, afflicted with a debilitating disease, made the understandable, the personal, the legal choice to keep the fact of his illness to himself. Point number three, his employers discovered his illness. And ladies and gentlemen, the illness I'm referring to is AIDS. Point number four, they panicked. And in their panic, they did what most of us would like to do with AIDS, which is just get it and everybody who has it as far away from the rest of us as possible. Now, the behavior of Andrew Beckett's employers may seem reasonable to you. It does to me. After all, AIDS is a deadly, incurable disease. But no matter how you come to judge Charles Wheeler and his partners in ethical, moral, and in human terms, the fact of the matter is, when they fired Andrew Beckett because he had AIDS, they broke the law. Andrew Beckett represented your company in a lawsuit in 1990, is that correct?
That's correct.
Were you pleased with his work?
We were satisfied with the outcome of the litigation.
Satisfied. Mr. Laird, when I approached you about being a witness at this trial, you gave sworn testimony in a deposition, is that correct?
That's correct.
In that deposition, you said that you were impressed and delighted with the quality of Andrew Beckett's work. Do you recall saying that?
In all honesty, I was delighted with certain aspects of Andy's efforts. But in general, I found the work to be merely satisfactory.
Uh-huh. Do you agree that a bologna sandwich is a satisfactory meal, whereas caviar and champagne, roast duck, and baked Alaska, that might be considered a delightful meal?
We object. These gastronomical comments are irrelevant to these proceedings, Your Honor.
No, they are not irrelevant. Your Honor, 5 months ago, this witness characterized Andrew Beckett as caviar. Now he's calling him a bologna sandwich. I think that the jury is entitled to know what powerful force has caused him to change his mind.
He hasn't changed his mind. He's amplified his answer. Objection sustained.
All right. All right, Mr. Laird, explain this to me like I'm a 4-year-old, okay? Did Andrew Beckett win your lawsuit for you?
Yes, we won.
Oh, congratulations. That must have been a very satisfactory experience. Hiding an important document, maybe for a few hours, and then making it look like the responsible lawyer misplaced it.
Why would Mr. Wheeler and the others behave so outrageously? Because they found out Andy was sick?
Perhaps.
We have lawyers who've had heart attacks, ulcers, prostate cancer, leukemia. No one sandbagged them.
Did you have something to do with this file being lost accidentally on purpose?
Objection.
I'll rephrase. Did you have anything to do with this file being misplaced?
Absolutely not.
Are you a homosexual?
What?
Are you a homosexual? Answer the question. Are you a homo? Are you a faggot? You know, a punk, queen, pillow biter, fairy, booty snatcher, rump roaster? Are you gay?
Objection!
Order!
Where did this come from? Suddenly counsel's attacking his own witness? Mr. Collins' sexual orientation has nothing to do with this case.
Please have a seat, Miss Knight. Would you approach the bench, Mr. Miller? Could you kindly share with me exactly what's going on inside your head? Because at this moment I don't have a clue.
Your Honor, everybody in this courtroom is thinking about sexual orientation, you know, sexual preference, whatever you want to call it. Who does what to whom and how they do it. I mean, they're looking at Andrew Beckett. They're thinking about it. They're looking at Mr. Wheeler, Miss Conine, even you, Your Honor. They're wondering about it. Trust me, I know that they are looking at me and thinking about it. So let's just get it out in the open. Let's get it out of the closet. Because this case is not just about AIDS, is it? So let's talk about what this case is really all about. The general public's hatred, our loathing, our fear of homosexuals. And how that climate of hatred and fear translated into the firing of this particular homosexual. My client, Andrew Beckett.
Please have a seat, Mr. Miller.
Very good.
In this courtroom, Mr. Miller, justice is blind to matters of race, creed, color, religion, and sexual orientation.
With all due respect, Your Honor, we don't live in this courtroom, no, do we?
No, we don't. However, as regards this witness, I'm going to sustain the defense's objection.
I have 5 minutes and redirect.
Mr. Beckett, can you go on for 5 minutes?
3 minutes.
Yes, yes.
May I borrow your mirror, please? Andrew. Do you have any lesions on any part of your body at this time that resemble the lesions you had on your face at the time that you were fired?
Yes. On my torso.
Your torso. If it please the court, I would like to ask Andrew to remove his shirt so that, you know, everyone here could get an accurate idea of what we're talking about.
Objection, Your Honor, it would unfairly influence the jury.
Your Honor, if Andrew was forced to use a wheelchair due to his illness, would the defense ask him to park it outside because it would unfairly influence the jury? Come on, we're talking about AIDS. We're talking about lesions. Let's see what we're talking about.
I'll allow it. Mr. Beckett, would you please remove your shirt?
My God, what a nightmare. Yes, boy. Andrew, can you see the lesions on your chest in this mirror?
Yes.
Thank you. Excuse me. What do you have on number 32? Langston Bailey?
This says William Jackson's his lawyer.
Oh, well, Mr. Jackson had a heart attack this morning. I'm Roman Israel, his partner.
I didn't know Jackson had a partner.
Well, I don't have the patience for the butchery that occurs here. Mr. Jackson does.
You want a continuance?
What bail you offering?
No bail. He pleads to count one. I'll tell the judge and request the minimum 5 years. He's facing 15 at trial.
For a 17-year-old breaking and entering? I mean, hell, why don't we just get it over with and shoot him?
That's the offer. Do what you gotta do.
Offer? That's not, well, he's not taking top plea, I can tell you that. I mean, you're already overcharging him. Let's talk about mitigating circumstances.
He was caught wearing a t-shirt with a gang symbol.
Like the flag pin on your lapel.
5 years. That's as low as the people will go.
People? What people? There's no people. There's just you making a bullshit career climbing offer. Come on, let's admit it.
Present it to your client.
His name is Langston. He's a high school junior in good standing, plays on the soccer team. All of this despite the fact that his father's in jail, his mother is in drug treatment. Due to a legion of forces beyond his control, he joined a gang for acceptance, family, protection. He has one prior minor offense. Each one of us is greater than the worst thing we've ever done.
Deep vows. Please, talk to your client. My conviction rate's 100%.
All rise. Court of District 9 is now in session. The Honorable James Hiragami is presiding.
Langston Bailey?
Thank you, bailiff. You may be seated.
5 to 7. Thought I was going to juvie. Oh, you want to speak to Mr. Jackson?
He's in the hospital.
Is he coming back?
Wish I knew.
I want a new lawyer. I want to switch. I have rights.
Mr. Jackson is the one who comes to court, but he comes to me for legal guidance. Now, you're being overcharged to accept a plea. And to keep things moving, they want to punish you for even asking for a day in court. It's a volume business. Guards getting overtime and private companies owning the jails and building them as well. It's a fact. You want to fight? We'll fight. I mean, the hell with the bill. But if we take it to trial and you lose, they hit you with 15 years. And they rarely lose. Keep your head up. And do some push-ups.
This is a preliminary hearing on the case of the people of the state of California versus William Carlos Ramirez, case number A649725. Counsel will state your names.
People are represented by Michael Wesley.
Roman J. Israel, Esquire, on behalf of Mr. Ramirez.
Mr. Israel, I'll grant a continuance given lead counsel's medical emergency.
I'd like to dive right in, Your Honor.
Very good. Proceed.
Your Honor, the people request that defendant Mr. William Carlos Ramirez be held to answer on 3 counts of violating Health and Safety Code, Section 11351, possession of powder cocaine for sale. Mr. Ramirez was observed and filmed making 3 drug sales to undercover officers. Mr. Ramirez made a confession to detectives that he supported himself selling drugs.
Objection, motion to strike. Mr. Ramirez was told he was not under arrest and was interrogated without the benefit of his Miranda warning, yet he was refused use of the bathroom. That's a violation of civil rights.
It wasn't an interrogation, it was an interview.
Overruled.
If a cop hauls you in and says you can't use the bathroom, then you're being detained.
We're moving on.
What was he supposed to do, Your Honor? Pee himself?
You can wait and address this at trial.
Oh, I would like to address it now. I'm just saying we have a real...
Mr. Israel, did you hear what I said?
If armed guards in this courtroom detained you and would not allow you to use the bathroom, you would, by all definition, be detained. I mean, what is good for the goose is good for the gander.
I'm going to hold you in contempt if you continue to pursue this.
With all due respect, you're asking me to obey an erroneous court decision. You tell me to wait. In my experience, wait.
Okay. Finding in contempt. Is there anything else you'd like to add before I said fine?
Is he okay?
I'm feeling it.
Check his neck.
No?
What happened?
We just found him. I think he's dead.
All right, don't touch anything.
Man down, black male, 60 years of age, not responding. Request RA.
What did I just say?
He doesn't have ID.
What did you put in there?
My card.
Take it out.
Well, without ID, he'll get cremated and mixed up with 1,000 other homeless people.
Take it out.
Look, it's just my name and number for the coroner that called me.
Did you hear my partner?
Okay.
I want to pay for the burial.
I'm not telling you again.
And I'm not going to just let him get swallowed up. I'm just not going to let him disappear completely forgotten because he most certainly was somebody. Sorry.
What do you mean? That was unbelievable.
I thought he had no pulse.
No one does that.
Yeah, for good reason.
Hey, yeah, I stepped out. I'll be right back. I have to get back.
Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna call you.
Yeah, thank you. Me too.
Shooting, is it?
No. It'll be all right. Won't it?
Reform your ranks! Reform your ranks! Reform your ranks! Fall in. Quiet in the ranks. Quiet in the ranks.
Right. Untie his hands and take off his coat.
The prisoner is in position, sir.
Is this?
The prisoner is to be flogged before the entire regiment.
Not with a whip, not a man.
Excuse us, Sergeant Mulcahy.
It's your pleasure, Colonel.
Never question my authority in front of others.
I is sorry, massa. You be the boss man now, and all us chillins must learn
Major
to obey.
Forbes, stand at attention. Sergeant Mulcahy, you may commence. Proceed.
Shown?
Mr. Rollins. This morning, It would be a great help if I could talk to you about the men from time to time. That's all.
Shoes, sir. The men need shoes, Colonel.
Yes, I know. I've been after the quartermaster for some time now.
No, sir. Now. The boy was off trying to find himself some shoes, Colonel. He wants to fight. Same as the rest of us. More even.
All of the men like this?
Yes, most of them.
Good afternoon, Colonel. You change your mind about that bottle I was talking about?
I want 600 pair of shoes and 1,200 pair of socks. And anything else you've been holding out on us. Piece of rat filth.
Well, I'd love to help you, Colonel, but we just don't have any.
Not for niggers, you don't.
Not for anybody.
I see. Pity. I'll just have a look around, see that you haven't misplaced them, hmm? Son of a bitch! Damn it, you can't, can't I? I'm a colonel. Nasty little cuss. You really think you can keep 700 Union soldiers without proper shoes because you think it's funny? Now, where would that power come from?
All right. Calm down. Look, have a drink.
Hey, you barefoot! Come on over here! Get the fire, boy! Got one pair of shoes here. Yeah, here's another pair. Got one pair for something, man. Come on, boy, get away from me. You got you. Get away from me. Here's a pair. Here's another pair.
Steward, is there anything you need?
No, sir.
Keep me informed.
Yes, sir. I will.
Just say what you think. Just say what you feel. Oh, now. Come on, Go on, let it out.
Well, I ain't much about no praying now.
Well, all right. Say your piece.
I ain't never had no family. And killed off my mama. You feel funny, right?
Come on. It's all right. Enjoy it.
Come on now. You're doing fine. Well, I just... You know, y'all's the only family I got.
Well, that's our family.
That's all right. And, I love the 54.
All right.
Ain't much a matter what happens tomorrow. But we men ain't.
Yes, sir. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Yes.